Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another festive beauty box to share with you, and this time it's from FRASERS, House of Fraser. This is what it looks like. It's a really cute little box. Now this is the second time I'm filming it. The first one, I filmed the whole unboxing, but it never came out on my SD card. So if you were to get this box for yourself, it will not look like this. It will look all nicely wrapped up for you. It says the ultimate beauty treat filled with makeup, fragrance and hair care from your favourite brands. This box contains 17 products. It has a value of £325 and it can be bought for £69. If you're interested in this box for yourself, then as always you'll find a link to it down below in my description. Plus down there you'll see all my discount codes and offers to other websites. So you're welcome to take a look down there if you want to. So let's get straight into it then. There is a little card here and it tells me a little bit about the products. So I'll refer to that as we go along. First up, we've got this little pouch. It's a silky satiny pouch, and there is an eye mask. I have loads of these. I don't need all the ones I've got, so I will be passing this on. My daughter's got some as well. The boys aren't interested, so yeah, I'll be passing this on. But it is really pretty though. I do like the stars. Next up, we've got something for your hair. This is by Philip Kingsley, and this is Maximizer. Volumizes and lifts fine hair. It's a root boosting spray. And there's 125 mils there. It's a heat activated spray. Works to texturize your roots and give it a bit of oomph. So yeah, so there's that for your hair. We got Rituals of Ayurveda. This is a balancing body cream, Indian rose and sweet almond oil, and there's 70 mils here. This is gorgeous. This is really, really lovely. It's one of my favourite scents from the Rituals range. And the body lotions are just so lovely and thick and luxurious, and they just smell amazing. Yeah, it's a really nice one. I could actually do that in my fingernails. My fingernails have gone really dry. Oh, the smell is just gorgeous. Next, we got a product from Fresh. This is a soy face cleanser for all skin types, rich in amino acids. It gently cleanses face and eyes, and there is 50 mils there. I've tried little minis before in different beauty boxes. Fresh is a really gorgeous brand actually. I've tried some of their masks, but I'd love to try more of their products. The iconic gentle gel cleanser whisks away everyday impurities and makeup, even mascara, without stripping the skin. And then just to show you, it's a gel. No, I don't smell anything. So we've got a cleanser. Next we've got Oskia London, and this is Renaissance Mask. It's a Nutri-Active Brightening and Resurfacing Mask, and there is 14 mils there. Apply a good layer to cleanse skin using circular massaging movements. Oops, I was reading the back then. What's it say? The mask will turn white once properly applied. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes and gently wash off. I do really like Oskia London. They've got a nice cleanser that is bright orange. I can't remember the name of it. Plus the vitamin C capsules as well. Oh yeah, I couldn't open this in my last video, but I found my knife. Look. Let's hope I don't slice my fingers. Ugh, there's something else in there as well I couldn't open. Or maybe it's this I'm thinking of then. This is bright orange, look. Is this what I'm thinking of? Oh, it's just so nice. It's just really nice and jelly. Yeah, a brightening and resurfacing mask there. Next we've got Charlotte Tilbury, and this is Pillow Talk Collagen Lip Bath. I think I've got this one. I'm sure I've got this one. It is in the Pillow Talk shade. I think it is, isn't it? Pillow Talk, yeah, Pillow Talk shade. I think I got it in a mystery box that she does. She brings them out now and again, but the next one will be coming out in around November time. Always around Black Friday. So it's a gorgeous nude lip gloss, but it's a collagen bath. We've got Olaplex number 3. This is for your hair. It's a pre-wash treatment, and there's 100 mils here. You apply this to your hair while it's damp once or twice a week. You leave it on your hair for up to about 20 minutes, rinse it off, and then you carry on with your shampoo and conditioner as normal. This is a really nice product. Out of all of Olaplex's products, this is the one that I love, and I do notice a difference when I use it on my hair. So yeah, so there's that. We have got Lom. This is a Radiance Repair Retinol Serum, 9.5 mils. Before I get it out, what's it say? Because there's nothing on the box. Glow and radiance in a bottle, encapsulated retinol fortified with AHAs. This gentle yet potent serum plumps, hydrates and firms the skin over time. There. You can apply it morning and evening to your face. We've got mascara by Morphe, and this is Make It Big, and I'm actually wearing it on my lashes today. I've got false eyelashes on, but underneath them is this mascara. I don't know where I got it from. I didn't buy it, so I obviously got it in a beauty box, but I can't remember which one. It's a really nice mascara. There's a lot of product on the brush. A nice big brush. So if you love your lashes to look thick and really, really black, then yeah, this is a really nice mascara, but it has got a tendency to clump. I find it more of a problem for my bottom lashes because I've got hardly any, and for some reason some are half the length of the rest, which is a nightmare when you're trying to put mascara on. But yeah, it's a nice mascara. It is really nice, but it can be a little bit clumpy. Next I've got MAC. This is a lip pencil in shade Whirl. They always do the most longest lip pencils. There. Yeah, nice lip pencil. That'd actually go with the Charlotte Tilbury lip gloss as well. Yeah, just a nice nude lip liner there. We've got Pixi. This is a Skin Treats Vitamin C Serum, Brightening Concentrate, and it's 30 ml. It contains vitamin C, which is brightening, ferulic acid, which is antioxidant protection, probiotics help fortify skin, moisture barrier, vitamin C, oh, and then it goes into a different language. Brightening and antioxidant serum provides a boost of immediate and long-term radiance. Combination of vitamin C and ferulic acid is known to neutralize free radicals to help improve skin's tone for a brighter complexion. You just use 2 to 3 drops daily. Next I got an eye cream. This is a ceramide herbal eye cream by Mario Badescu, and there is 14 grams there. I think this is the one I couldn't open. Yeah. Oh, I'm just looking at the time. I'm whizzing through this video. See, this is why I don't like knowing what's inside beauty boxes. I feel I'm more spontaneous, there's nothing planned, and yeah, I do talk a little bit more maybe, but yeah. I haven't opened this well. Look. Uh-oh. Let's try a little bit. There's a lot in there. Oh, it feels really nice. Yeah. Oh, it smells nice and natural. Yeah. No particular scent. So it's a ceramide herbal eye cream. Then we got a FRASERS White Jade Gua Sha. So this is great for lymphatic drainage, depuffing, massaging the face, nice and cold. Even better if you pop it in the fridge first. Apply serum to your face so you've got a good glide, and then you just go up your jaw and down, up the jaw, and then up and around and across your neck. I've actually got a tool now. It's called a Zip Halo, so that is taken over from my Gua Sha using, although to be honest I only ever did it every now and again. I'd go through a phase of doing it for about 2 weeks and then stopping for about a month or two and then doing it again and then stopping. I could not keep it into like a daily routine, but the Zip Halo, I'm loving that. That's really nice. The Gua Sha is a lot cheaper. I think the Zip Halo was quite expensive, a couple £100. Anyway, there's that. Then we've got an eyeshadow palette, and funnily enough, I'm wearing this one today as well on my eyes. It's by Natasha Denona, my favourite eyeshadow brand. I just love them. They're so pigmented, so easy to blend. I'm wearing that one as an all-over base, and then that one as well then. Can you see my eye colour? I'll just do a few on my hand. They are so, so lovely. So yeah, see if my daughter wants this one then, as I've already got it. And then we are left with 3 perfumes. The first one is Daisy Wild by Marc Jacobs. There's 4 mils here. I absolutely love this one, and I was certain that I've already got it. I bought a 10 mil of it when it first came out, literally about a month or 2 ago, possibly. Look how gorgeous that bottle is. But I forgot to go and check because it's not here. It's still in my little bag of toiletries that I went to Rhodes in a couple of weeks ago. It's in another room. I just haven't gone in there to check, but I'm sure it's the same one. I'm not keen on the original Daisies, but I love all the other limited edition ones off of that, and I've got quite a few there. I'm looking. Oh, it's so nice. It is on the sweet side, but it's not too sweet for me. but it's just proper fruity floral. I think this is probably the sweetest one of the lot. This wildflower bouquet fragrance is a fresh, carefree scent with notes of banana blossom and jasmine. There you go. Then we got Paco Rabanne Fame Intense. Now there's 4 mils here as well. A floral, woody, musky scent that's perfect for party season with a twist. Notes of mango, bergamot and jasmine add a tropical feel. And I like this one as well. I love Olympia Intense. I like Lady Million. This one's nice. It's not one of my favourites. Why am I showing you my hand? It's not one of my favourites, but it is still a nice one. I think I might pass that on though. Even though I like it, I think I'll probably just gravitate towards all my other ones before I go for that one. And then lastly, we got Versace Dull & Purple, and there is 10 mils here. And I think I love this one as well. Yeah, I do. I really like that one. I'll just have a look to see what's inside it. Elegant, bright and sparkling. This fragrance is made to add a little joy to your everyday, from the bottle to the scent. Yeah, this is a gorgeous smell. It reminds me of my son, so I wonder if he has like the men's version of this. I don't know. My eldest son. He's well into his smellies. But yeah, that is lovely. That was really nice. And there you go. Those are all the products inside FRASERS Festive Beauty Box. It costs £69. It has a value of £325 and it contains 17 products. There's some lovely products in there and some decent full sizes in there as well. I wouldn't say this is a wow box though. It all depends, doesn't it? It all depends on what you think of the products, whether you use the products. We are all different in what we like. I'm glad I went for it because I wanted to get it and to share it with you because it was under £100. And I want to do a mix of high luxury, talking into the couple £100 advent calendars, and obviously the under £100 mark as well. I'm in love with the Flannels Beauty Cracker. It's very similar to this in the fact that it's not an advent calendar, but it's a beauty box full of products for Christmas then. That one's around £100 more, but I just adore the products that are inside there. But I'd love to hear what you think of this one. Did you go out and buy it yourself? But thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.